now if you run the app, you will see this form. We discussed this point before. We say if we want to see if the user registered or not, we will create file and we save user ID in it. So next time when he opens the app, he will load the data already saved. If not, he will ask him to log in if he is for first time. So I mean, this strategy or this algorithm, we did it before. So now if we will do it, we will not have problems. So if you see now, he directly go to this forum, but he will not see anything because he still did not log in. So there's a problem. So what I will do, I need to make sure if the user is logged code also. So here you go. I will start first, check call method name is check user tag, and this one, Java Twitter, this file. So what I'm looking for is login file. So if you go down in the login file, you will see all the method that we have it. So first method I will work with, it is for check permission. So I just copy this line from 304 and go down to the end to 364. Just copy them and go back. I'm gonna show you now many things about these methods. Just paste them here. Okay. So let me see what this method do for us. We now first of all we call it check permission. If someone click on the button, so we check permission. If there is more than 23, we will check if he already granted for access external storage. If he not, we will display method, or if he's not, we will display asking for permission. If he already granted, we call load image. So by the end, we will display this one, request permission. If he agree, also we will call load image. What load image do for us, do simple step, is just this, we want to access to gallery. So how I access to gallery? That means I'm accessing to other app and getting result from the other app. So what I will do, I just sending intent. I say intent, the type of the intent is pick. I need to pick something. What I need to pick, I need to pick images. Then I start activity for result. That means I just sending intent to the gallery, ask him to, I want to get picture, and waiting for result from the gallery. If I say start activity for result, that means I will get some result from that app. So I have to implement method for result, for waiting for result. If you go up, you will see I already implemented method for on activity result. So you know that, and we will discuss it. Just first of all, copy 101 to 119, just and go back and paste it here. So you know, whenever you have start activity for result, that means you need results. So there is a method named on activity result. So you call it, you say if you see there is a variable here, you could define it directly now, or you could, to be on standard, you could go up and see here where is this variable or the name of this variable. You just take the code for it and copy it. If you see you have hard time to find this variable, you could just go up and say, okay, this variable is integer and equal any number. Give it this number, any number you could give it. So just for this variable. So now I'm clear. If someone click on the image, I will check his permission. If he granted, that's okay. I will load the image or asking for load image. If not, go through process and ask for that. When load image, I just calling gallery and waiting for result. When the gallery started, all these lines don't care about it. Just you care about this line only. So this is just some process waiting for image, getting. If you click OK, you get the image, get the cursor, then move it and to take the picture. This code is just getting the selected picture. So any picture you selected, it will be here. So just care only about this line. So don't care about this line. It's just process. For me, I just know this line. So this line just getting picture from the phone and you display it in your image view. And that is. So if I run it and try to select image, I have to be able to select image from the phone. Let me see. If I just click here you see, he asked for permission. Yes, I'm allowing. Here you go. This is the images. Select image from the phone. This is my image. If you don't have image, make sure to go to the AVD and enable your access to the AVD access to camera and try to take some picture and save it in your gallery. So yes, this is basic how to select image. Now we have image, we have this field that we go to the next video and try to do register then login. See you next.